Hi folks, I'm attorney Ryan Kautzer from Hawley, Kaufman Kautzer Law Offices. Today I'm here to talk about whether you will have to pay maintenance. One of the most common questions we get at HKK Law Offices is whether someone will have to pay maintenance, otherwise known as spousal support. This conversation will help to determine if you fit into that category. Let me start with a disclaimer. This conversation only applies to cases in Wisconsin. If your case is in a different state, a different standard may apply. Consult with an attorney in that area on more information. In Wisconsin, there's a number of factors that the judge must consider when deciding if maintenance, otherwise known as spousal support, is appropriate. Those factors include the length of the marriage, the age and physical and emotional health of the parties, the property division ordered by the court, the education level of each of the parties at the time of the marriage and then at the time of the divorce, the earning capacity of the person seeking maintenance, whether the person seeking maintenance can become self-supportive in the near future, the tax consequences to the parties, any agreements that the parties have reached, and any contribution that one party has made to the education, training, or increased earning capacity of the other. Now, that's a lot of factors that the court must consider. What do all those factors mean for you? Well, the first thing is that it isn't one particular thing or factor that's going to determine if you have to pay maintenance. There's a large number of factors that the court has to consider. Every person's case is different. All of those factors must be considered. So no one case is going to be the same. Somebody might have a long-term marriage and an income disparity between the parties. Another party might have an income disparity and a short-term marriage. Every case is different. That's why it's important that you should consult with an attorney before you go into court on your specific case. Thank you for joining me today to discuss whether you will have to pay maintenance. If you like the content, hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to the HKK Law Offices YouTube page. Don't forget, you can also find us on the web at hkklawoffices.com. Until next time, I'm attorney Ryan Kautzer saying so long.